including facilities with jaw-dropping views of virgin land to glass-encased suites in the middle of the ocean. This video presents the top 7 most beautiful hotel rooms in the world. Number 7. Presidential Suite, Maha Desert Resort and Spa. This magnificent suite is set on 225 square kilometers of pristine desert in Dubai's protected conservation reserve, which covers 5% of the city's total land area. Guests are invited to enjoy breathtaking views from their exclusive, temperature-controlled swimming pool, infinity plunge pool, jacuzzi and sauna during their stay before heading to the treatment room for some much-needed pampering. You can retire to your lovely suite, which features 3 large bedrooms and a spacious lounge with traditional, handcrafted furnishings and exquisite Arabian artifacts. The nightly rate is £6,320. We'll later tell you about the Beachfront Spa Villa, an exotic island destination that provides spectacular views and exquisite room designs at a far more affordable price. Number 6. The Apartment, Connaught Hotel. The apartment at the Connaught Hotel is believed to be London's most captivating penthouse suite. This luxurious residence is located in Mayfair Village, just a short distance from London's famous Bond Street, where you can shop at some of the most elegant stores in the country. During your stay, you can take in some of London's most stunning views, including a unique bird's-eye view of Carlo's Place from your private balcony. Every room in the apartment has been craftily designed by David Collins, an award-winning interior architect. He used soft tones and contrasting royal blues to complement the most refined fabrics used in this suite. In David's own words,
everything within the apartment, from the bed linen to the bedside tables to the dressing tables, it's all been made to reflect the attention to detail and the invisible service that's part of the Connaught.
As if that wasn't enough, you'll also be able to admire a variety of magnificent original artworks displayed throughout the suite. Rooms in this fabulous establishment go for £17,500 per night or more. Number 5. The Villa, Awasi, Patagonia. You can enjoy an unforgettable stay in an all-inclusive luxury lodge in this villa in the peaceful Awasi, Patagonia mountains of Chile. This vacation is all about independence, privacy, and relaxation. As a result, when you make a reservation, you'll be introduced to your reservations assistant, who will design a custom program to meet your preferences, interests, and expectations. Moreover, your stay will include meals prepared by Chef Federico Ziegler, excursions, the use of a 4x4 vehicle, and a private guide.
I like being a king.
The lodge is large, open, and has a warm traditional feel, making it an ideal place to unwind after a day's adventure. You may meditate in front of a cozy wood burner or relax in a hot tub while taking in breathtaking views of the forest, Lake Sarmiento, and Torres del Paine. It will cost you some £1,945.64 per night to savor these delights. Number 4. Beachfront Spa Villa. This villa is a luxury resort located on an unspoiled tropical paradise in the Cook Islands called Rarotonga. This tranquil island offers unparalleled beauty and serenity, making it ideal for a getaway. The 2-story villa has 2 large bedrooms with a magnificent 4-poster Super King canopy bed. Additionally, there are 2 elegant marble bathrooms with stunning hand-carved Italian mirrors in the villa. You will also have your private tropical courtyard with a soothing waterfall, a swimming pool, and a jacuzzi where you may relax and take in the villa's peaceful surroundings and stunning tropical lagoon. You could enjoy a dreamy honeymoon at the Beachfront Spa Villa with your partner, where you can spend warm afternoons in the soothing showers of its waterfall and cool evenings in a pool or a jacuzzi. The nightly rate here is £1,076.79. Number 3. The Cliff Penthouse Suite, Oil Nut Bay. This secluded suite is located in the British Virgin Islands Oil Nut Bay, where guests can enjoy a remote getaway on their private island. The Cliff Penthouse Suite is located at the apex of the Atlantic Ridge, offering the most spectacular views of the Caribbean Sea from your private infinity pool embedded into the rocky coast.
That's awesome.
Moreover, the suite has a bright, airy king-size bedroom with a large glass door that allows guests to take in their surroundings while also gaining instant access to the private terrace. Furthermore, an oversized lounge awaits those staying in the penthouse suite. encased by frameless retractable glass, adding to the space's light, open feel. Rooms start from £1,750 per night. Soon, you'll learn of the Royal Plaza Suite in New York City, said to be a favorite of heads of state. Subscribe to this channel to learn about the most glamorous hotels around the world. Number 2. Deluxe Avant-Garde One-Bedroom Suite, Belmond Grand Hotel. The Deluxe Avant-Grande Suite at the Belmond Grand Hotel, overlooking the Kam Mikhailovsky Ulitsa and the impressive Philharmonic Hall, is the ideal destination for a luxurious city break in St. Petersburg. Each suite in this magnificent hotel is named after a famous artist, and each room is themed to suit the artist's style. The Rodchenko Suite, for example, is named after Russian artist Alexander Rodchenko. The room is elegantly decorated with geometric shapes against a white background, similar to those seen in his work. This historic 5-star hotel's dazzling suites include a personal entrance hall, king-size bedroom, large marble bathroom, guest powder room, and a dining table for 6. The suites start from £2,382.91. Number 1 Royal Plaza Suite, the Plaza. Louis XV's Royal Court inspired this majestic Royal Plaza Suite in New York City in terms of character and style. This 3-bedroom suite has 4,500 square feet of space and includes luxurious extras like a grand piano, private library, and fitness room. The Royal Plaza also has areas for guests to entertain, such as a dining area that can seat up to 12 people and a powder room. This massive suite has private elevator access and offers spectacular views of New York City, including Fifth Avenue and the Pulitzer Fountain. The Royal Plaza Suite is said to be a favorite of heads of state, which is understandable given its opulent design and luxurious amenities. Every night costs £23,560.27. You've discovered a few amazing luxury hotels in the world. However, there are even more that didn't make it to this list. So, check out the 7 best luxury hotels in New York. Thank you for watching.